Sometimes text in Microsoft Word looks too tight, too wide, or just not polished. The fix is letter spacing, also called character spacing. First, select the text we want to change. With the text selected, go to the Home tab. In the font group, click the small arrow in the bottom right corner. You can also press Ctrl+D on Windows to open the font dialog box faster. Now go to the Advanced tab. This is where Word keeps the character spacing controls. Look for the spacing drop-down. There are three main options. Normal keeps the default spacing. Expanded spreads letters farther apart. Condensed brings letters closer together. To spread the letters out, choose Expanded. Following that, enter a small value in the field to the right. For a heading, start with 1 point or 1.3 points. The preview shows how the text will look before we apply it. To apply it, click OK. Now the heading has more breathing room and looks more polished. On the other hand, to make text tighter, select the text again, then open the font dialog box with Ctrl+D, or use the launcher in the font group. This time, choose Condensed and use any value to your liking. Click OK. This can help when a heading is slightly too wide, but do not overdo it. If the letters start touching, the text becomes harder to read. To remove letter spacing, select the text. Open the font dialog box again and go to the Advanced tab. Change spacing back to normal, and the text returns to Word's default character spacing. One common mistake is typing spaces between every letter. That may look okay at first, but it is difficult to edit and can break when the text wraps. Use Word's character spacing setting instead. Another mistake is using too much spacing. For most headings, a small amount is enough. And finally, do not use letter spacing to fix paragraph layout. For paragraphs, use alignment, margins, line spacing, and paragraph spacing instead. Still fixing formatting instead of writing? Styles, references, tables, manual fixes slow everything down. Until now, meet OnStyle. OnStyle automatically identifies and corrects issues in Word documents. And when creating new documents, it helps by applying standard styles and formatting rules. Imagine fixing all your issues related to cross-referencing, linking, instructional or hidden text, heading numbering, table formatting, and so much more with just a few clicks. Try OnStyle for free now.